All right, so we are back. We're in our final minute of the baked potatoes. So when they're finished, we're going to go ahead and quick release them again. And at this point, they're ready to eat. They would be like, just like you would take them out of the oven. This way, you don't even have any tin foil to unwrap and throw away. Cooking a baked potato in the microwave, you get that kind of funny texture to it. And these definitely have that just out of the oven. So again, we're just going to press down our quick release. We're going to let that steam escape and release all of the pressure. I totally dislike baked potatoes out of the microwave. They just, to me, have that funny, chewy, grainy texture to them. So I was skeptical, I guess, putting potatoes in here. Another one of our favorite potato recipes, though, is mashed potatoes in the Instapot. We just quarter them, put them in with a cup and a quarter or a cup and a half of water, maybe a smidge more, and 10 minutes, and they are perfectly mashed potatoes when you release. Stir in your butter and milk, salt and pepper, and they are fantastic. That's what we served at Thanksgiving this year, and they're definitely one of our all-time favorites now. So we're just waiting for our valve to drop. We're still letting loose just that last little bit of steam. They smell like baked potatoes. And it drops. We're going to open them up, and we'll bring the camera up. And as you can see, they look like delicious mashed or baked potatoes. So with that, we're just going to pull one of these. That, maybe. Not sure I have enough. And with these being so huge, they're not quite all the way done. The potatoes I did were not quite. So as you can see, like we still have like the little ring of the inside potato. So for these gigantic potatoes, I would say I would definitely do them another couple minutes. So the nice thing is when I stabbed into it before I cut into it, we could go ahead and with these two potatoes, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to put our lid back on. This whole backwards thing, I have a hard time. And I must have just enough steam. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pressure cook these. I'm going to go ahead and do like 2 minutes longer and let them go. So there is definitely a touch of a learning curve to the Instapot, as you guys have seen. This is only the second time I've done it. These were huge potatoes. So you definitely need to be aware of that 12 to 15 minutes with our higher altitude. And if you're going to do potatoes the size of your dinner plate, add a couple minutes. So